Today, in the time of vulnerability, monetary security and the speed of exchanges are significant for the development of economies. Eventually, everything reduces to a carefully designed and profoundly secure system that could be useful to store and re-establish all information on the blockchain-empowered stage, where exchanging could be worked with alongside quicker installments and exchanges, and all killing the job of go-betweens, a consequence of hard and impeccable work. The outline of torrential slide, a seed thought that was conceptualized by Cornell scientist Emin Gunseyer in September 2020, mostly putting together the stage with respect to blockchain calculations essentially to resolve the issues of sped-up, decentralization, and security. With this sort of hardy blockchain innovation, the torrential slide network will go about as a huge power promoter demonstrating progressive in the realm of installment, as an impetus to empower fast-fire exchanges in the worldwide installment biological system. Torrential slide will carry extremist change to fund. Torrential slide biological system is completely viable with Ethereum resources, applications, and instruments with quicker speeds, higher throughput orders, and lower charges. It is an umbrella stage for sending off DeFi applications, resources, exchanging, and different administrations for blockchain engineers. It permits anybody to send off or exchange any type of resource and control it a decentralized way utilizing brilliant agreements and other cutting-edge innovations. A pivotal distinction between torrential slide blockchain and other blockchain stages is its administration component. Marking rewards are dependent upon dynamic changes as the framework develops. Torrential slide, the intrinsic potential. Without a doubt, the torrential slide blockchain has extraordinary potential and will quite often be the most appealing cryptographic money, principally for its local token, AVAX, which guarantees high exchange security combined with speed scaling 1 trillion every second. No big surprise the consistently dynamic group of qualified mathematicians and cryptographers is creating and keeping up with the torrential slide digital money, rising as an incredibly powerful and energetic power. AVAX will be the pick and selection of merchants, particularly on the grounds that it has endured for the long haul. Likewise, financial backers have found an element of dependability implanted in this token. The badge of AVAX capabilities as a prizes and installment framework for clients. The ongoing cost of AVAX is $18.43, with a market capitalization of $5,408,967,424. The 24 hours exchanging volume of the AVAX token is $381,292,309, with a flowing stockpile of 294,713,816.16 AVAX on the lookout. AVAX digital currency is greatly dependent on decentralized applications remaining in front of other state-of-the-art advances in the current decentralized blockchain networks. The torrential slide estimate is simply subject to digital currency market development. A blast time for torrential slide drives the value estimate to remain legitimate on this record before very long. Made by Avalanche, this coin has endured over the extreme long haul, so it is critical to realize that torrential slide's cost rise is sure before very long. Nonetheless, carry out your own groundwork to measure your gamble resilience. Torrential slide value forecast 2023. In view of our torrential slide cost expectation for the approaching year, the AVAX coin might have least and greatest costs of $42 and $55 separately. The adjustment of the cost is supposed to be around 30.95%, with a typical cost of $48.50. Torrential slide value forecast 2024. As per torrential slide cost forecast, it is assessed that the coin exchange between the scope of $60 to $73, where $60 is the base exchanging cost and $73 is the greatest cost, simultaneously. There are a couple of presumptions that the AVAX coin might have a typical cost of $66.50. Torrential slide value forecast 2025. The torrential slide coin is supposed to have least and greatest costs of around $72 and $89 separately, according to our AVAX cost expectation 2025, while the typical cost may be $80.50, with a rate change of 23.61%. Torrential slide value forecast 2026. According to our AVAX cost expectation, the coin might have a typical exchanging cost of $82.50, with a base and greatest cost of $80 and $85 individually. For the year 2026, the instability of the torrential slide cost is supposed to be very less, with a rate change of 6.25%, according to our cost forecast. Torrential slide crypto value forecast 2027. In light of the AVAX cost expectation, our specialists recommend that the torrential slide digital money might exchange a scope of $91 and $101 for 2027, where the previous is the base cost and the last option is the most extreme. while the typical exchanging cost of torrential slide might be $96. Torrential slide crypto expectation 2028. Our AVAX cost figure for the year 2028 proposes that the coin's typical cost might be $126, while the base and most extreme costs might be around $111 and $141 separately. Simultaneously, the torrential slide specialized investigation uncovers that the rate change might be 27.02%. Torrential slide coin value forecast 2029. From our AVAX cost expectation, we can presume that the coin's cost might exchange at a normal of $152.50 for the year 2029, while the most minimal and greatest cost of the AVAX token for the year might be $145 and $160 separately. AVAX value forecast 2030. By 2030, our torrential slide cost estimate shows that the possible high of the coin might be $185, with an expected low of $162 in the crypto market. The nitty-gritty torrential slide cost investigation uncovers the typical worth to be somewhere near $173. Torrential slide value forecast, market opinions. The market opinions oversee cryptographic forms of money. Thus, AVAX is no exemption. In view of verifiable information and specialized examination, there are many hypotheses going ahead for the torrential slide coin. All specialists have different torrential slide expectations to make out and out. In light of a VAX cost conjecture, a drawn-out increment isn't normal. The cost guess for long-term end is $1.36. They accept that your ongoing speculation might be degraded from now on. As indicated by their AVAX coin cost expectation, the cost could stretch around $44.14 by 2023 and $81.11 toward the finish of 2025. Toward the start of 2022, the torrential slide cost was around $112. The ongoing cost of a VAX is $18.43, which shows that the cost fell has been radical. The anticipated torrential slide cost toward the finish of 2022 is $23.97, and the year-to-year change will be around plus 31%. Toward the finish of 2022, the cost of torrential slide will be around $22.76. The greatest and least costs for 2023 might be around $55.84 and $49.55 individually. Their torrential slide cost forecast shows that toward the finish of December 2025, the cost might be $128.39. As per our torrential slide cost forecasts, the future cost could arrive at somewhere near the $56.35 mark in the following a year, making it a productive venture. What is the eventual fate of torrential slide coins? As indicated by torrential slide cost expectations, the fate of this coin is exceptionally splendid. By 2030, we anticipate that torrential slide should have crossed the $150 mark. Nonetheless, do your own exploration and don't accept this data as venture guidance to purchase AVAX. However, you might peruse the gauge and track the ascent. Drop in the cost before you purchase torrential slide. Is torrential slide a wise speculation? As indicated by AVAX cost expectation for the following 5 years, the AVAX cost will hit a $101 high, making it a wise venture. The base cost for the year 2027 is assessed